So the following three themes are going to be continually touched upon throughout our video series. I call them the golden rules of EV charging business planning. Number one, fully understand your long-term business charging needs and plan for the future. It's often that customers end up looking for the lowest installation cost and the lowest cost of charging stations, but the reality is probably 99% of that time that the total cost of ownership for those customers will actually be a lot higher and they'll have a lower quality charging experience. That's something that we want to help with. Number two, maintain freedom and control over your charging strategy and experience. The industry is moving really fast right now. Ensure your strategy allows you to expect the unexpected because we know that it's going to come. We're going to hand you some principles to go after to ensure that you always have freedom and control over the next decade to make sure that you're in charge of your charging experience. And then the last one, find an EV charging and an energy expert. The two topics go so well together. Generally, before 2025, the focus was on infrastructure tied to charging. But from 2025 to 2035, the focus has to be on both infrastructure and energy to minimize total costs. So make sure that you have an EV charging and energy expert on your side to help you develop your EV charging strategy.